What's good, everybody? It's Mr. Mixer back at you for another tutorial in Adobe Audition 2019. What's good? I hope everyone is having a good day, good morning, whatever time of the day it is when you watch this video. Anyway, let's get into it, because today I want to show y'all how to become elite a lot quicker on mixing and pulling things in. And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna do our keyboard shortcuts. Okay, now when you do the keyboard shortcuts, this will increase double, like for real, your time on pulling things in, copy, paste, grouping, muting, locking features you can do on the keyboard. And when I say the keyboard, I mean the actual your desktop keyboard, just the number letters, you know, as you see up here. Okay, so the main ones I do, so we'll start out with copy. Okay, so copy I do here, and what you want to do, make sure you have the right copy. It's 2 copies and they don't all do the same feature in the multi-track session view. So you want to make sure you have the right one, and for the copy, it just says copy. Copy to new, that's something totally different. I actually don't really use that because I just copy and group. So that's really kind of like a unique situation, I believe, to where if you was to alter one file 2 times 2 different ways. So yeah, so copy, let's see, paste, let's type, if I can type today, paste. Okay, so what I do is I make my own letter, and I remember these letters over time, and I've been using these for years, so I can just like wipe Adobe and like redo them all because I still remember all of them. So what you want to do is you want to X off of it, and then you want to click back on it, and then you want to hit that, and then you can just click away from it, and it should just lock in. Okay. All right, so another one I do is close media, unused media, close. Let me see. Okay, so close unused media. This is one I use a lot, and I have this set to I. And what this does while you're recording, it will help you keep your files organized, the files, the mess ups, it'll take those right off. So if you can hit I right in the session, you don't have to do anything, shift and control with another letter. That's a lot of, so I just use I for that. So that works for me. Duplicate, I know that's another one. Some of these I use the letter of the, like duplicate, I use D. You know, save, I use S. I use these quite frequently. To silence, to edit the audio in edit form. I use Q to silence, so I can just sweep through and silence all the parts I want. It's a lot quicker than having to right click and hit silence on it. So I think it's a good thing to get adjusted to shortcuts. I feel like, let me make this little, really can't make it smaller. But once you get done with this, I would have to put it on my other screen. But you want to hit OK. OK is down here. I just can't show you on my screen. So yeah, let me slide it over and hit OK. Alright, so that's how you do edits, quick edits, and it will make you a quick recording engineer, quick everything elite. Your brain will be working faster for Adobe Audition, and that's what you want. So like once you get some of those effects, like let me show you, I can just like to lock something, I can just hit L. It locks. To group, that's hit G for group. Okay. Like I said, to copy paste, you know. You can also set up your undo. If you want, you know, it's Control Z, which at one point I had I think I had B set up for undo on that, but I just use Control Z because it's so common for everything else, so that's nothing. Let's see what else I use. M for mute, to mute things out. And you just apply all these through that shortcut menu, and once you get it set up, you hit save. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so go back to keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so what you want to do, once you get all of your buttons in the thing, search them out. You can actually click them up here too. That's another one I do, split. I use K. So if y'all want to kind of mimic some of mine, just kind of pause it and, you know. And if it says something about like a conflict, just override it and see if it works. Try to make sure you don't have your caps locks on, because that kind of affected me one time and I was doing them and it didn't work. But once you get that, you see mine says mix, so you just hit save and then you hit OK, and then you apply it. Okay, so that is how you set up the shortcuts in Adobe Audition 2019. I hope I helped somebody, and I hope you learned how to do this. If you didn't, comment in the section and I can answer more questions. And make sure y'all subscribe. And I appreciate the 300 subscribers. I'm actually gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving a free beat away, so if you want the free beat, it's gonna be in the description. So y'all have a good day. Subscribe, and let's get it.